What's up everyone? So today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make a neginmirsalehi inspired Polaroid picture frame. As you can see, I have a picture frame here. It's actually a poster frame that I got from Hobby Lobby, and the little sides come off like this, which I already kind of took them off. They just slide on. It's like really easy, but this is like the cheapest one that I found. But any picture frame that you find will do, depending on what size you want it, how many pictures you have, etc. This one is 16 by 20, but it was $9.99 at Hobby Lobby, and I just got the black one because, yeah, I like black. But so basically what we're gonna do, or the tools that you're gonna need, is a picture frame. So this is one that I have, and the plastic just comes off, and then you like slide this over it, and you close it, and it makes a frame. It looks complicated, but it's really not. So you'll need a frame of your liking. You'll need some poster board. This one was like $2 at Hobby Lobby, and it's like textured, but I'm gonna use the back side, I think. Well, I don't know, actually. I might use the front, but I'll decide later. But you'll need this. You can cut to the exact size that you need for your frame. And really, it doesn't have to be white. Negin's is white, and I'll insert a photo in case you don't know who she is or what I'm talking about. I love her so much. She's one of my favorite bloggers. Had this project that she wanted to do where she basically framed like a year's worth of Polaroids, and it's this huge, like a huge one. I can't even you can't even see. Also, sorry that my face isn't in this video. I just got off work not too long ago, and I feel gross and crusty. Like this video if you can relate to that. She has like a square Polaroid camera, like, you know, the regular size squared ones. I have the Instax Mini, so these are gonna be little, tiny little Polaroids, which are still very cute. So basically I'm just doing the same thing that she did, but in a smaller scale, because her frame is literally like the size of a door. It's amazing. I will insert a photo right now. But yeah, so that's what we're recreating, but I'm gonna show you what you need, how to do it, or how I do it at least. And yeah, so you need, let me just recap, you need a frame, you need a poster board in the color of your liking. Mine is white because Negin's is white and I think it looks better. But if you wanna do fun color, go for it. You also need some double-sided tape. I have the Scotch brand. I got this from Hobby Lobby. It was like $2, but actually no, this was like $3, but I'll link it down below. If you're lazy like me and you don't want to go, you can just order online. An X-Acto knife as well. I'll also link this down below. This one was $5, and it comes with a safety cap, so be safe everyone. Don't cut yourselves by doing this. Be very careful. Aside from that, you can kind of see them right here, but I have my Polaroids laid out. I'll just show y'all real quick. There you go. Just lay them out however you want them to go. I'm gonna open this X-Acto knife. Hopefully, okay, yeah. I was like, hopefully I don't cut myself. Let me get rid of this trash OLED. Okay. Put it over there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna use the brown part because it's easier, I think, to see. Yeah, let's do that. So, what you're gonna do is move your stuff out of the way and make sure this is nice and clean. What is that? Okay. I'm gonna put this like at the very corner so that I don't have to cut so much, you know? So just try to do it as close as you can to your corner and line it up. Can y'all see what I'm doing? I'm sorry if you can't. But okay. So basically what an X-Acto knife is, if you can't tell by the name, is that it's good for cutting things exactly to the size that you need it to be. Anyway, I'm just gonna trim. So you get your knife, and be very careful. I'm just gonna press down on my poster board, and hopefully that worked, and I hope I didn't scratch my table. I bet I scratched my table. Oh, I did! I knew it was gonna do that. Okay, just be careful, and whenever you're cutting, maybe put something underneath. I should have done that. I didn't even think of doing that, whatever. I'm an idiot, but it's fine. It's an IKEA table. We're probably gonna replace this when we move anyway, so don't care. But just be careful. Don't do it on your parents' counter or anything, because they will beat your ass. And I hope Zach doesn't notice, because he'll beat my ass. Just kidding. Hashtag just kidding. Okay, cut. Oh fuck, I messed up. Okay, see, that's why X-Acto knives are so nice, because you literally can mess up. It doesn't matter because you can't see it. Okay, Did I do this properly? Yes, Hunty. Oh, nope. Gotta go over that part. Okay. Ah, I heard. Did y'all hear that scrape? I'm so dumb. Okay. Oh, cool. Wow, that was the perfect size. So these are my scraps that I don't need. I'm just gonna cut it for the sake of. Ooh, that's so satisfying. Did y'all see that? Love that. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna put your safety lids back on so you don't freaking cut yourself. Cool. What I'm gonna do is, it's so satisfying having it the exact size that I need. Okay, I'm just gonna use this side for the sake of it being clean. And what I'm gonna do is kind of just lay out every photo on top because I want to make sure that they're in line and even everywhere all throughout, you know, because I'm a little OCD like that and it'll bother me if I don't. So let's do that. I'm just gonna fast forward. What you're gonna do now is open your double-sided tape that you got from wherever, and you're gonna do, yep, you're gonna unwind that. You're gonna open it, okay. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna stick it. It's double-sided, so if you don't know what that means, it's sticky on both sides. So you're gonna grab your first photo and you're gonna put some right down the center. Yeah, we'll put it right down the center. And you're gonna set it in place. And bam, that's all. Oh, yeah, you might have to do two, but I did one. But yeah, you're just gonna keep doing that, and I'm gonna go through and fast forward this because you get the point, and just follow my instructions and you're good.
Having an argument that got out of hand, but Gary says, I did kill somebody else.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, so I have finished. I think I'm content with how I laid them out and the spacing, but like I said, it'll really bother me if it's not perfect, so that took me a while. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, did I cut this? Oh yeah, that's good because the black thing will cover that anyway. Okay, so make sure your plastic is clean and put it on top. Make sure there's no like little marks on there or anything. So once you've made sure that there's no dust on the other side, you're gonna take your sides, well, unless you have a normal picture frame, then you won't need to. If you have a normal picture frame that doesn't have these little removable things, you'll literally just insert the, you'll insert the picture. Oh my God, that's the wrong side. I'm an idiot. Get the correct size that you need and then put it back. Bam. What's up, Lou? Hi. Do you like my Polaroid frame? You're in it. You don't care, do you? She's gonna go right here. Wait a second. I swear to God, did I do this crooked? I'm gonna be so mad. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Yep, I definitely did that crooked. You could see up there. Ugh, I'm gonna have to redo that. But I'm not gonna make you guys watch that, so you can see the gist. There's my reflection, hey girl. But you can see that, and just you can see the size. Let me just take you on a little tour of the pictures. Can you even see that? No, okay, there you go. No, it's so creepy, but that's just Zach when he got home. That was us. You can't even see it because it's dark. We took a photo at the hotel we went to in Austin, and the camera flashed back, so it looks weird. There's Louis at the hotel. Louis acting like he owns the place on our bed every time. Look at this one. Louis, that's literally Louis' tongue. Can I focus? Yep. I look ugly, but dude, look at his tongue. So funny. Like this video if you think he's cute. Okay, bye.